So now I've got my legs and either my feet or my casters in place, I can now flip it. So the way that I do this is I pull it back over this way. But if you've got the casters on, I put the locking mechanism down so that I can then bring it upright. There we go. See, even a little person can do it. Now, next we're going to put on a bracket on the front and these side pieces that hold the rails in place. So we're going to need one of these. We need to remove the nuts that we've put in at the front. Don't do them tight. You've got your two side arms and you'll have put this bracket on top of here with the two 4mm Allen bolts. So this one is for this side. I've got the push mechanism on the inside. So just lay that down. And I've got the same with this one, but this one is facing inwards for this side of the frame. Oh, and by the way, when you lay your frame down and you put these legs in place, make sure that this is pointing in the right direction if you have limited ability to maneuver the frame once it's in place. Otherwise, you'll be in the wrong direction. So, next we're going to remove a couple of these bolts that we put in and replace them and put them in the second hole up, so that the top hole on this side. The other one, the front, that goes into this here, this bolt here, is a 4mm, and it goes into the bracket that we just attached, which is why we need to leave it loose. So that makes attaching this bolt much easier. It's more important that you can attach that easily than having those bolts firm. We're going to tighten all the bolts up afterwards anyway. And we'll use a spirit level to make sure it's all square. So I'm going to do exactly the same thing, what I did over here, on the other side, and then we'll come back. Okay.